Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are up in Dickson City, Pennsylvania. We were here to go to a haunted car wash at Tommy's Express Car Wash. Looks like all the ghosts and ghouls and everything are all out right now, and it looks pretty cool so far. So I'm inviting all of you to follow along, and let's check out this car wash. You ready to go, Sarah?
Yes.
All right, here we go. So there they are. They're out there and enjoying themselves. This is the haunted car wash right here, Tommy's Express Car Wash. They're sitting out there by the roadside. Let's go check this thing out. Here we go. All right, let's go check this out. Oh, there's a ghoul right there. How you doing?
Hello. You have a membership with us.
What?
You have a membership with us?
No, we don't.
No? Are you paying cash or card today?
Cash.
Cash? Head right into lane 1.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Watch out, hon. Look, they're coming the other side. Yep. Hang on, hang on. Oh boy. How are you? Oh, that's great. Thank you. He's following us. I'm watching. Give me that cash. Oh, look at that one. Watch out, Sarah. Hi, guys. Oh, that's great.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you. Okay, so it costs us $20 to get in. Oh my God! Look at that guy. Huh? Look at, she's coming after you. Oh, these guys are crazy.
That one.
Huh? Where?
Right
Oh, I
there.
didn't even see that one. Whoa. Let's check out this car wash. Here we go. We are headed into the car wash. Oh my God. Look at the guy over there in the corner. Look at. Fog it. Whoa! Holy cow. Come on, Sarah. What's going on? Huh? Here we go. Oh! Oh, God, I didn't even see her over there. Oh, Jesus. Oh, here we go. We're in the car wash now. This is fun. You see anything? I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing yet. Let's see where these people are.
Not to the end.
Not till the end? I don't know. You never know.
Can't come out.
Huh?
All that matters is they can't.
Well, you never know. So all we are is just getting our car washed right now. Got to be coming to. It's coming now. Oh! Oh my God! that just scared me. Hey! Wait. Oh! 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 Oh, look. Oh my God. Oh, where are we? Are we coming to the end?
Yep.
Oh, Jesus. Holy cow. Oh. All right. I don't see nobody.
They're out there.
They're out there.
There's one right there.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see none.
Right over here.
Over there? Oh, look! Hey, oh! Look, Sarah, look! 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 Oh, wow! Oh, my Lord! Look! Watch out! He's gonna come get you. He's gonna come get you. Watch out! Look! Watch. Wave! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! And that's the end of that. Oh, she's got a half a hand there. So we go over here and we can vacuum out the car as soon as we open up the door. Oh geez. Oh my Lord. Look what's here.
Yeah, looks like something.
You're not gonna get out. Huh?
I'm not getting out.
We're not. Oh, it's $5. Is it $5 again?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's free. It's free. They're coming after you.
Yeah, they can come after
Here they
you all you
come.
want.
They come. Whoa! Jeez. Oh! Oh my God! Look! Sarah, wave to her. Is he gone? Yeah, these guys are up to it all. They're not going to let them leave. Oh! Hey. Sarah! Oh, that's great. Okay, so that was Tommy's Express Car Wash, our first haunted car wash that we have ever been to. That was a lot of fun. We got to see, you guys scared bad. Did you get scared?
No.
Yeah. When that guy came out after you, did you get scared? I seen you get scared. Yeah, that was funny. Oh my God. Okay, let's head on out. Oh. Okay, everybody, we just got done with Tommy's Express Haunted Car Wash. It's right up here in Dickson City, Pennsylvania. It cost us $20 to get into the car wash, but it was a lot of fun. The ghosts and the ghouls and everybody just came out of nowheres and they started. they scared me a couple times. They scare you a couple times, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got scared. So if you guys are around a Tommy's Express car wash, just check it out. We went to the one up here in Dickson City, Pennsylvania. So thank you all for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.